everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a, I don't know, clock. It's gonna be a clock, but I don't know what it said on there. So let's check this out. We'll open this up over here and take this out. Hopefully I won't get styrofoam everywhere, but we will show you guys what it looks like. There should be a law against packing things in styrofoam. My dog goes absolutely nuts. Okay, so this is it in here. And this is what it looks like here. I dropped the instructions. I will go get those here in a second. So check this out. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It's taped. Got the tape over the numbers and stuff. This is gonna look nice because I kind of have a modernish vibe going on here at my apartment. So here we go. So this is what the clock looks like. It's gonna take a, oh, it's cool. It's got a little digital screen over here too, which has a plastic peel off thing there. And it looks like there's gonna be some plastic to peel off of this as well. So let me do that. There we go. Oops. I did a really poor job of peeling it off here in this corner, but you get the idea. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like here. Let me go and put some batteries in here. It looks like it takes the AA, which I happen to have in my drawer. 1, 2, we got a couple of AA's. So we're gonna put one in the clock mechanism. If you look here in the back, it's got an area in the back here for one for the clock mechanism here. Oops, I guess it's gonna go this way. So there, and then it's gonna have one for the digital stuff over there. Oh, that one is gonna be AAA. How funny. There's a AA and a AAA. I have that right here. So there we go. Oh, not where we go. There we go, right? No. So, and then we put the little cover back on it here, if I can. Okay, so here we go. So now you can see over here, it's got, you know, it's set for January 1st right now, but once I set that, it'll have the right date on it and stuff. And then we have the time, the clock is already going. You can see there, it's moving around and it's got the hands. And so it even comes with an extra set of hands. So in case you're drop it or move or something like that and it gets bent, you've got an extra set here. It looks pretty similar. It might be a matte finish versus a shiny finish. It looks like that might be the difference between the two hand sets. So very little one there. Comes with the mounting bracket. You got a nail as well as a couple of screws if you wanted to screw it in. Mine will be probably just nailed in with this one here. Just put a nail and then hang it up. But where I'm going to hang it is going to not be really on display, but you get the idea. It'll hang up and look super cool. Really nice looking clock. And I'm going to go hang this up in my house now because it looks really cool. I like this. Really nice looking clock. Definitely a good modern feel and good to have for sure. So thumbs up on this clock. Love it.